Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to be focusing on errors. What is an error? An error is an obstacle that doesn't allow your program to run the way it should. There are 4 types of errors, and those are linker errors, runtime errors, compiler errors, and logical errors. Let's start with the compiler errors. On the left, we have just a very small program. It just adds X and Y, but it has an error. There isn't any semicolon at the end of the cout statement. If you run the program, you get the following error. Expected semicolon after expression. To fix it, you just add a semicolon. Linker errors. Here we have a program that should just print the value of A to the screen, but it throws us a linker error instead. That's because we did a uppercase M instead of a lowercase m for the main function. This time we get this error, undefined reference to main. To fix it, we replace the capital M with a lowercase m. Runtime errors. These types of errors are very hard to find as the compiler does not point to the line which the error occurs. These errors crash your program, but not your computer, so don't worry. The most common runtime error is a division error, which occurs when the computer is told to divide a digit by 0. Logical errors are a type of runtime error. They can be extremely difficult to find because they don't reflect any sort of programming error. They are very small bugs that don't allow your program to run as it should. Here we have an example of a function that returns the average, but it returns a different result than expected because we do not have our parentheses. Logical errors give you an expected result. It's very hard to find that tiny bug in your program, and 2 of the first places to check in your program is your if statements and your math operations. That's it for today, and in the next tutorial we'll learn about for loops.